these videos would be good to show, because in training it's going to be very important to get students to understand that even though there's no flakes popping up, you still want to exfoliate the entire parting. First step is testing the water, and you ask the client, is that too hot or not hot enough?
It's perfect.
It's perfect. And then after I brush this through, I'm going to show this part, because everyone doesn't understand that this is not a shampoo phase. This just hold 30 seconds. So because this is the thing, I don't know about you, but when you're in the chair, it doesn't just feel the best back here on the neck. So I've learned to slow it down a little bit back here and be a little bit more thorough. It's like a sweat collection spot. You must first hold the hair down with your hand to stop the water from running off the head, and then rub in. So that's why I use my second hand. If not, it's gonna run past the hair. You see the difference though? Right. There we go. So maybe I'll tell them. I'll figure that out over time. Start, I always check the root. This is the most delicate part of the hair shaft. It just came out the scalp. The first step to burning hair is scorching it. So I've had to learn that you're not always going to remove the hair when you burn it. Scorching turns the hair a different color too. So if I do this and I get a different color, I haven't burnt it. It's not going to detach. I know to let this rest. for a long point, you'll notice, watch. See how it's done and now it's starting to come back? That's, if I try to even these hairs up to this, I'm gonna mess up, you see that? Whereas when I was out here, it didn't look that much shorter, right? But once you drop it, look at the disconnect. So that's where girls get in trouble and end up moving the length.
I'm ready to fly, no drugs.
I would be in trouble.
Pull up. If I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my.
Does your hair seem dry or brittle? Does your scalp itch or get flaky? Is your hair unmanageable? What if there was one solution in one bottle that will restore your dry or brittle hair, remove the flakes or scalp irritation, and increase manageability, plus eliminates the need for chemical treatments, conditioners, or oils? Would you try it? Well, we would like to introduce you to MYWater Hair Solution, the total solution for both your hair and skin.
Don't go into that, because if you told me water is going to change it, I wouldn't